Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how you can download and install Subway Surfers application on your iOS device. So in order to do that, first of all make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go ahead and open up your App Store on your iPad or your iPhone. Go to the search bar and type in Subway Surfer. After you find the application in the search result, go ahead and look for this app and then tap on the install or the download button in order to start downloading the application. Subway Surfer is an exciting endless runner game where you'll need to dodge trains, trams, and various obstacles to go as far as you can. The game features vibrant HD graphics, hoverboard surfing, paint-powered jetpacks, and lightning-fast swipe acrobatics. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will then be able to download the app. Tap the open button to launch open Subway Surfers on your iOS device. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.